What is going on, YouTubers? It is me, System Sensor 250, and welcome back to another brand new video. And guys, today's video we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So today we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 8. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Before getting right into today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat right on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Anyways guys, the reason we got the Christmas tree set up, it is almost Christmas. So just about 9 days left. So I'm excited. All the presents are ready. It's almost Christmas. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Let's go ahead and get right into today's video. And guys, let's get started with the smoke alarm. Alright guys, so we're now heading downstairs. I'm gonna check out the let me go ahead and check you guys out the smoke alarm. Let me get the light going real quick. Alright, here's the smoke alarm. I'm gonna take another picture again for the thumbnail. I think I got one. Okay. Alright. Last view of the smoke alarm. Focus. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it. There you go. Oh, wrong slip. Wow, I was just about to say. Wrong switch. There we go. Alright. Here's another smoke alarm. It's the same thing as the upstairs. So we have two smoke alarms. And I have the two smoke alarms. So right on top, what I'm showing is the Family Guard FG888D. And the one I actually just pulled out was the First Alert CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. So, yeah guys. So this is the first. So this is the 8th test. And guys, just letting you know, we're getting close to 280 subscribers. And that means we're getting a little bit closer to get to 300 subscribers. So keep it up. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and get started. The smoke alarm. Here we go. Headphone users, just letting you know this is going to be a little bit loud, so just make sure you keep the volume down. And I appreciate it. Here we go. You can see the flashing. See it? You see all the Christmas lights I've been set up? Let's start off in my bedroom. There you go, it's all the way through. And I just done some in my closet. Sick. Now, here's very special code that you didn't want to know. Alexa, turn off Christmas lights.
Okay.
Absolutely. It is smart controlled Christmas lights. Alexa, turn on Christmas lights.
Okay.
There you go. And I got some Christmas bells on each side, and especially on that side. Here's the smart plug. It's right on the bottom. You might not be able to see it, but here it is. Oh, you see it right there? Focus. It's right down there. That's why I'm using for smoke control Christmas lights. Here's my Nintendo Switch. Alright, so we're gonna do one more test, and then we're in for today's video. Oh. Ah. Well, that's pretty standard of the smoke alarm, known as the CO. Here's my photos, my HB. So yeah, let's go ahead and wrap. Well guys, what do you think of the smoke alarm test? Let me know in the comments. So guys, stay tuned for the Midland Alert test number 8, and that is today. So stay tuned for that. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Before we end up today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. And guys, please don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage as well too. And guys, please don't forget to check out the Greenville updates. Greenville just keep releasing a new update, and that is super sick. If you guys want to check out the Greenville updates, you can do that. Go to Discord and join Greenville. So anyways guys, stay tuned for more videos. So anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.